Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. Doug, the croc gardener here, alongside with me is...
Kidcroc.
Hey, I hope everybody had a very, very Merry Christmas and hope everybody will have a excellent and Happy New Year. We had a great Christmas this year, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have a great Christmas?
Yes, I had the best Christmas.
What was the number one gift that you got?
A record player.
A record player? Oh, that's awesome, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So I hope everybody got time to spend with their family and loved ones. The true meaning of Christmas, and spend some time with that. We have a surprise here for us. Kidcroc got me a little bit of a gift. It's kind of a gift for both of us, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Kind of a family gift here. Can you tell them what it is?
It's a GreenStalk.
Yes. So we had already peeked inside the box. We had opened it up already. But what we're going to do is we are going to go through and open this guy up and show you actually what is all inside the box with the GreenStalk. You ready to go? Mm-hmm. Now, did you order this all by yourself?
Oh, no.
No? You had help?
Yeah.
Why? Because you don't have a credit card yet?
Nope. Yeah, no. I don't have
So you picked it all out and you just asked Mom for the credit card.
Uh-huh.
Pretty smart kid.
Mm-hmm. And plus, you guys should, if you guys watched the videos before, he was the one who asked for it. Remember?
Yep. So let's open up the box. Real quick, I like this part real quick right here. It says, "We are rooting for you." So inside the box, what do we got? We have
an instructions how to
it's
build
basically
it.
an instruction manual here. Mm-hmm. It's got the Peterson family, so that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, and what's this?
This
looks like the watering
Yeah.
container on top, right?
Uh-huh.
I think we'll take everything out, and then we'll put everything together. We got several of these little trays. I believe these are the...
Like the things like we're having.
I'd assume these are for the garden watering. And then we got a thank you card for purchasing
Yeah.
a GreenStalk. And what's in this?
A seed.
We got a seed packet. Black Beauty Summer Squash. You think we should grow this in the GreenStalk, or you think we should put this out in the garden?
We can. I don't know.
Maybe we can keep these squash bugs at bay.
Yeah.
More so up by the house, because they are running rabid out by the garden.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
So maybe we can just put it by the house, and then all the squash bugs are just gonna be like, ooh, this is a better spot than the other places, and then just go there.
Yep. We got a couple stickers, good chives only, and then some things of sunflowers there.
Yep.
Like that. And then this gives you a guide for free resources with a QR code on it. It's kind of nice.
And we also have
And look, what's that?
ornament.
Christmas ornament.
And then we
We have the bulk of the GreenStalk right here.
It's hard.
Oh my
it's
gosh.
heavy. Can you get it out?
All right, move that box out of the way. Is there anything else in the box?
One more last thing. It says, your GreenStalk was packed with care by my man.
Yeah, so then it's got all the people in the GreenStalk community.
And then we have this too.
All right, so was this the only thing that you got me?
No. They also got him this.
What is this?
I don't.
Look, this looks like a lid for the watering container.
Yeah. And look,
Isn't that kinda neat?
it has a little bumblebee on it.
Yeah, I kind of like that. I really like that, to be honest with you.
Okay, and then we got lots of other stuff.
And so what this comes with, this is actually a wheel kit. So put this on the ground.
Yeah.
Put these wheels on it, and we can roll that GreenStalk around. It came with a tube, I guess, that you would attach down here, and basically that's for helps out with drainage.
Okay, then we also got another sticker.
We got another.
Coming soon, February 2026.
We got a strawberry lemon one, huh?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. And then we got a couple more stickers.
And then we still got some Black Beauty summer squash.
Don't kill the vibes, and we got some dill. We got all kinds of stickers. then we got another packet of Black Beauty summer squash. So we're gonna definitely have to grow some in this. And along with this, we got another Christmas ornament.
This is his favorite.
And then we got a garden journal. Definitely need to log things in this journal, don't we? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's get together. We'll put this thing together real quick, and we'll show everybody
What it looks like.
Yep.
Yep.
We might fast forward through this part though.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are. We got it assembled for the most part. We can just simply wheel it around. Now it is a little wobbly, but I think once we get some dirt in here and get some moist soil in here,
It's gonna be stable.
it's going to be stable.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Kidcroc,
What?
what is the first thing we're going to plant in this? What do you think we should plant in this?
We can plant mostly anything.
I mean, we got all these little compartments to plant in. Look how many little compartments there are on here.
We can plant like lots of vegetables, like what is it?
We could put some sugar snap peas in here.
Yeah, those would be so good.
Those would be so good.
Then whenever I just go outside, I can just go. Ooh, there's.
We could put some lettuce in here.
Yeah.
What
Cabbage.
else? You think we can grow some cabbages in here?
Yeah, maybe.
We can try some cabbages. We're going to try that black zucchini squash, although it's going
Yeah.
to probably maybe drape down and sprawl out. Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe we can do
We'll
it like
see.
on like the bottom. Well, no, maybe on the top ones because then they're gonna have to go.
Yeah, we'll have to figure that out. We'll have to do some research on this. If you guys have grown anything that was tall and viney in one of these guys, leave us a comment down below, right? Mm-hmm. Let us know. So this is the snow version. It was a
Limited edition.
limited edition. Yeah, Kidcroc knows all this because he picked everything out, right? Mm-hmm. Yep, just had to get Mom's credit card and you were off and running. Mm-hmm. I don't think that's the truth, but you never know. So this looks fantastic, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You know what we could try in here?
What?
We could get into the garlic challenge 2026 in this.
Maybe
We could take Big Will Dog down yet another year.
Maybe we could just get like different kinds of garlic in here. And
Plant some flowers in here
Yeah.
and some garlic.
That would be so good. Nice.
Yeah. We could do a lot of things in this thing.
But if we did
What
put,
do you guys grow in your GreenStalk at home? Let us know. So for the most part, we'll do some updates on this as the year progresses. We'll definitely have to do a planting video. We will, just keep you guys on the up and up on this. Maybe some prep work for this. We'll do maybe a review after we grow some things in this. Don't you think?
Yeah. And
I'm excited. Thank you for getting me this gift, Kidcroc.
You're welcome. And I also have something to say. If we do plant like sugar snap peas in here, I'm just gonna go outside, and if I'm hungry, I'm just gonna go run over here.
You just walk right out on the
Yeah.
back porch and eat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be fantastic. That's living the dream.
Yeah.
That's what they call living the dream. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time for the channel. Welcome to our community if it is. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell button. Get the notifications. Cheers, everybody. God bless.
Merry Christmas.